Good morning and namaste dear student. Welcome to this virtual class. It is developed by Join School family and it is specially designed for the student of class 9 and 10. I am your English teacher and I am going to teach you English in this class. This is the continuation of the previous topic, that is reading comprehension. In the previous class, we have learned how to write short answer questions under comprehensive passage. We have discussed the question related to vocabulary. We have also discussed the question answer related to true and false. Today we are going to discuss how to solve fill in the blanks in comprehensive passage. In fill in the blanks, students are given an incomplete sentence with one or more words missing in the blank. Sometimes there are options and sometimes there are no options. So the students are required to fill the gaps with right words or set of words and make the sentence whole and make the sentence complete. So for this there are some tricks. You have to follow the tricks and do the activities. If you follow the tips and do the activities, you can write the correct answer. Let's discuss the tricks one by one. The first trick is reading the sentence. Reading the sentence is the first trick. In this trick, you have to read the question. This is the foremost and most important steps, is to read the sentence properly and carefully and understand the crux of the sentence. You have to understand the most important part of the sentence, what the sentence wants to say. Let's see one example. The word approached in the above text means, here is the blank. If you read this sentence is asking the similar meaning, asking the synonyms. Another things, the word is in past tense. So you have to find out the meaning. The meaning must be in past tense. In this way, reading the sentence, you have to find out the crux of the sentence, main important part of the sentence. The second trick is find the keywords. Find the keywords in the sentence, as this word is the main indicator of what exactly should come into the blank, which complete the sentence in a meaningful way. For example, who, but, because, although, as soon as, though, till, until, etc. These words, these keywords in the sentence connect two clauses which have the verb of the same tense. These words connect two clauses which have the same verbs of the same tense. For example, as soon as I came here, he, me. This is in past tense, so the word in this blank must be in past tense. In this way, with the help of the keywords, you have to determine the word, which word is appropriate in the blank. Let's see another example. The writer was in dilemma because here is the word because. Okay, if there is word because, okay, it adds reason. Okay, you have to fill up with reason after because. Okay, in this way, with the help of the keyword, you have to find out, okay, the word for the blank. The third trick is try to pick missing grammar pieces. Try to pick missing grammar pieces. Look at the blank and then see where it appears in the sentence. What does the sentence need in the place? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it an adjective or an adverb? For this, it is important to brush up your grammar. It is important to quickly improve the grammar. If you improve the grammar, if you are rich in grammar, you can fill the blank with suitable words. For example, a preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun in a sentence. It can never be followed by a verb. If there is a preposition, okay, the preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun. In this way, developing the grammar, you can fill in the blanks. The fourth trick is logical structure of the sentence. Try and identify the logical structure of the sentence, whether it has a positive or negative frame, whether it has a positive or negative formation. The tense used, the past, whether the sentence has used past or present or future in the sentence formation. This will enable you to determine the kind of word that required to fill the blank based on the context. So you have to know the logical structure of the sentence to fill up the right words. And the next is heat and trial. The next trick we are going to discuss here is heat and trial. Heat and trial. Sometimes there is a chance of you getting confused between the two words of your choice. In such cases, you can use the heat and trial method of choosing the right option. In heat and trial, you place the option one by one in the blank of the sentence. The option that gives a maximum meaning to the sentence should be the right answer. In this way, following this method, you can fill up the right words or right words. The next is no common grammar rules, phrases, idioms, etc. This means certain questions test your knowledge of vocabulary or grammar or idioms or phrases or synonyms, antonyms. Hence, it's important that you know common grammar rules, phrases, idioms, etc. For example, if the word the is placed before the blank, the look for the specific name, person, or place in the blank. If there is an article N is used before the blank, then your answer must start from a vowel. If the subject refers to a verb, then choose an adverb. Adverb are the words that describe action words, that describe verbs. If the blank is qualifying a noun, then your answer should be adjective. In this way, you have to know the common grammar rules, phrases, idioms for or to fill in the gap with right words. Another trick we are going to learn is fill the easy one first. Fill the easy one first. Means there are always some blank which are easier than the other. Instead of getting stuck at the difficult blank, move on the next and try to fill in all ones which you find easy. You have to solve the easy question first and difficult question later on. You should not stuck at the difficult questions. If you stuck at the difficult questions, it will kill your time. Now next is reread the sentence. Reread the sentence. Once you have placed the option or words in the blank, reread the sentence. If sentence makes sense grammatically and logically, it means the word is right. If the sentence doesn't make sense, try and replace the word with more well-matched and meaningful alternative. The word you have chosen must enable you to read sentence correctly and smoothly without any grammatical error, and should give it a plausible meaning. It means a reasonable meaning. It should give a true meaning. And the last trick you have to follow is do not leave any blank. Do not leave any blank unanswered. There is no negative marking in this task. So even if you don't know the answer, just take a educated guess. You have to guess using your knowledge, experience. Using your knowledge and experience, you have to guess the answer and write the answer. You should not leave the blank unanswered. If you leave the blank, you'll get nothing from it. If you make an educated guess and write something, it may be correct and you'll get some marks. In this way, following these tricks, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay? If you follow these tricks and apply these tricks in practicing fill in the blanks, you will easily write the answer. Okay? Only this much for today. Rest in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.